Walk into almost any professional kitchen, and you probably won't find a wall of shiny All-Clad cookware. Most chefs buy equipment from restaurant suppliers, not luxury cookware boutiques. The real priorities are durability, performance, easy replacement, and value. Today, we're revealing the brands professional cooks actually spend their own money on. 7 restaurant supply names that outperform the premium competition, and 3 luxury brands you might want to skip entirely. First up on the skip list, a brand whose marketing budget might be bigger than its kitchen credibility. First up, HexClad has built massive marketing momentum through high-profile influencer networks and celebrity chef partnerships. But behind the glossy social media campaigns lies a premium-priced hybrid surface that divides professional opinion. While marketed as the ultimate chef cookware, combining the durability of stainless steel with the convenience of non-stick, high-volume kitchen reality paints a different picture. Under the heat and rapid pace of service, the pan's raised steel hexagons protect a delicate PTFE non-stick coating. When this coating inevitably wears, scratches, or peels, an issue that led to a $2.5 million class action lawsuit settlement, the pan loses its utility. Because this hybrid surface cannot be seasoned or repaired, busy chefs bypass the hype entirely, opting instead for dedicated stainless steel or traditional carbon steel. Next, Hestan offers exceptional engineering, but its business model falls flat in commercial kitchens. Renowned for its patented nanobond and probond technology, this premium cookware boasts a surface supposedly 400% stronger than stainless steel. Yet, at $200 to $300 per pan, the math fails on a high-volume service line. While affluent home cooks view Hestan as a lifetime investment, procurement managers see a liability. In a business where pans are purchased in bulk and subjected to relentless high-heat shifts, spending $1,200 on a 5-piece set is financially irresponsible. When a kitchen can source commercial-grade stainless steel tools for a fraction of the cost, Hestan remains a luxury showpiece rather than a practical back-of-house workhorse. Third on our list of luxury names to skip, high-end copper core sets offer unmatched thermal responsiveness, but introduce severe operational friction. While these premium pans cook beautifully, their maintenance requirements make them highly impractical for a working kitchen. Traditional copper surfaces must be periodically retinned to prevent toxic metal exposure. Professional retining services charge a flat rate of around $140 per pan, and the shipping and repair process can take up to 3 weeks. This creates costly downtime and logistical headaches for busy restaurants that run on razor-thin margins. When a single 10-inch copper pan balloons to a 5-year life cycle cost of over $800, the financial math fails. Working chefs choose simpler, durable commercial cookware instead. Fourth on our list, Winco is the undisputed workhorse of the professional kitchen. Walk into any restaurant supply store, and this brand dominates the shelves with thousands of commercial-grade items built strictly to food safety standards. While luxury consumer brands charge premium prices for polished looks, Winco focuses entirely on durability. Chefs rely on their heavy-gauge sheet pans, which cost under $10 and resist warping under constant high heat service. Their large stock pots, priced around $25, endure relentless daily scrubbing and direct flame contact without pitting. This extreme affordability makes them cheap to replace, keeping food costs low for busy operations. Because professional kitchens buy tools instead of status symbols, Winco proves that function beats appearance on every single shift. Fifth on our list, Update International is the standard issue stainless steel solution for high-volume food service operations that value consistency over drama. While home cooks obsess over the polished cladding of All-Clad institutional kitchens and large-scale catering services rely on this brand for straightforward utility. Update International specializes in extremely durable, NSF-certified stainless steel pans designed to deliver even heat distribution and withstand relentless daily cleaning. They prioritize affordability and uniformity, making them incredibly easy to procure in bulk and simple to swap out when pieces eventually wear down after years of hard service. By offering dependable, standardized lines with no unnecessary markup, they prove the ultimate back-of-house reality. Professional kitchens buy tools, not status symbols, and practical reliability beats showroom shine. Sixth on our list, Wherever focuses entirely on speed, lightweight handling, and immediate temperature response. Founded in the late 19th century alongside early breakthroughs in aluminum smelting, this brand became a staple in school cafeterias, military mess halls, and high-volume bistros. While heavy stainless steel cladding takes time to heat up and cool down, Wherever's impact-resistant 3004 series aluminum reacts instantly to flame adjustments. Busy line cooks choose these pans for fast-paced service, where rapid heat control determines the success of a delicate sauce or a quick sauté. They are built for extreme durability without the heavy weight of luxury consumer brands. This commercial cookware proves that real kitchen efficiency depends on responsive tools that reduce chef fatigue, keeping the food moving without unnecessary physical strain. Seventh on our list, Tramontina Tri-Ply provides the ultimate bridge between commercial-grade performance and home kitchen affordability. While chefs run their commercial lines with raw utility brands, they often recommend Tramontina when outfitting their home kitchens or advising amateur cooks. The secret lies in its fully clad stainless steel construction, which mirrors the 3-ply design of All-Clad by sandwiching a highly conductive aluminum core between durable stainless steel layers. Independent laboratory testing confirms that this construction delivers nearly identical thermal responsiveness and heat distribution, making the two brands functionally interchangeable on the stovetop. Yet, at roughly $120 for a multi-piece set, Tramontina slashes the price tag by nearly 80%. It proves that cooks do not need to pay a prestige premium to get professional results. Eighth on our list, Matfer Bourgeat brings legendary French carbon steel to the line. While home cooks often associate non-stick performance with delicate chemical coatings, busy breakfast stations rely on these black carbon steel pans. This cookware combines the intense heat retention of cast iron with the rapid thermal response of stainless steel, packed into a lightweight design that minimizes cook fatigue during a long rush. Instead of a fragile synthetic lining that easily scratches and ruins the pan, Matfer Bourgeat develops a natural, slick patina through seasoning that improves with constant daily use. Preferred by professional chefs for delicate eggs, proteins, and high-heat searing, this durable classic is a primary proof point that real commercial tools value practical utility over showroom status. Ninth on our list, Vollrath is the gold standard for heavy-duty commercial kitchens. Backed by over 150 years of manufacturing heritage, this brand is the preferred choice for high-volume hotels, banquet operations, and demanding catering lines. While home cooks chase polished retail names, professional buyers spec out Vollrath's Centurion line. These NSF-listed, heavy-gauge stainless steel pans are engineered to survive constant, rapid thermal shifts without warping, pitting, or discoloring. Laboratory stress tests show these pans survive 8,000 high heat cycles before showing handle deformation, nearly doubling the limit of luxury consumer alternatives. Procurement data shows a 12% year-over-year increase in institutional orders, proving that when real margins are on the line, chefs invest in tools that simply refuse to fail. 10th on our list, De Beyer represents the definitive professional-grade French cookware that bypasses luxury consumer markups. While home cooks chase polished retail names, elite chefs choose these legendary blue carbon steel pans. Featuring a thick, single-piece steel body, this commercial cookware heats rapidly and survives the brutal environment of high-heat service lines. Lighter than cast iron, they tolerate metal utensils and develop a slick, natural patina that improves with every shift. Independent tests ranked DeBuyer at the top of any cookware comparison for professional kitchen equipment. By delivering exceptional thermal response and indestructible construction without high-end marketing gimmicks, DeBuyer proves that real cooking results depend on reliable tools, not expensive status symbols. Across these 10 brands, one truth emerges: chefs buy utility, not marketing. The best restaurant supply store cookware proves that high-performance tools shouldn't carry a luxury markup. Ultimately, great cooking comes from technique, not a prestige logo. Which brand surprised you? Let us know below.